Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Today we're going to be showing these Verbena boninaris hardy perennial. I have sown and grown them before, but I've neglected them and not watered them, and they have died, so it's my fault. First of all, I'm using half trays here, and each half tray I'm quartering and putting 2 different types of seeds in. I find this is generally works out perfectly fine. The only problem is sometimes ones can need different temperature ranges, so that is a thing I can run into with my heater propagators. But apart from that, it's a really good way of doing it to save time and space. So first of all, we get these open after I've read the instructions. Verbena boninaris, a hardy perennial, so once you've grown these, you should have them permanently, unless you neglect them like I did and forget to water them when it's really hot. Yeah, so here we go. It says sow under glass and plant indoors February, March, April. Flowers June, August, September, October. So germination takes 14 to 21 days at 75 to 80 Fahrenheit. Plant height 2 meters 7 feet. Prefers full sun. A very popular perennial, producing robust plants with masses of tall, erect, arching stems topped by attractive clouds of eye-catching, glowing lavender blooms. Ideal planting amongst other perennials, adding height, movement, and a tranquil filter borders. Sowing instructions: sow seed onto the surface of a good free-draining damp seed compost. Apply a very sprinkling of dry vermiculite. Place in a propagator or sealed container in a polythene bag at a temperature of 24 to 27 until after germination, which takes 14 to 21 days. You want to exclude light as this helps germination. Keep compost on the dry side, then water slightly as seedlings emerge. So I'm going to open these. So these is not going to be the actual perfect condition because I actually got my propagator set at a lower temperature because of my other seeds going in there. So what I'm going to do is just fingers crossed and hope that these come through. It'll be a nice little experiment to make sure, see if they do. I'll just read how many seeds we've got. We have got 200 seeds, which we're not going to need. So we shall look at these, shall we? There we go. Look at those. See those there? So spread these across like so. And then we're just going to get a little bit of fine compost in between your hands, give it a good rub together, just to cover, scrape the bits up, like so. And just a little bit of water, not a lot. You want to be on the dry side. That should be enough. Then all we need to do then is get the name tag in there, Verbena. These are a nice hardy perennial, so once you get them, as long as you don't neglect them like I did, should be fine. And these go into my propagator at 20 Celsius Fahrenheit. I always get these two mixed up. Get the top lid on. That's the lid on like so. And that's it. So nice and safe in there. Just shut the vent at the top. So that's how to sow and grow Verbena boninaris Thompson & Morgan. Bloody wow, it's gone dark now with the rain clouds. If you've got any questions about anything growing in my greenhouse, please don't hesitate to ask, folks. If you like my videos, it does really help if you like and subscribe. Thank you very much for everybody, and as always, happy sowing, happy growing. Thank you for watching, everybody, and please keep safe. Thank you. Bye.